Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Messenger when you are not being able to send messages on it. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. If you're not being able to send messages on Messenger, the first thing you'll need to check is that your internet connection is working. If you're working on Wi-Fi, try switching between cellular data and vice versa. Make sure to turn off any VPN services. If you've turned it on before and once you do that, go back to your Facebook Messenger and see if that fixes your issue. If that still does not work, the next thing to do is to go to your settings on your phone and go to Apps under Settings. View all the apps and select Messenger from the list and tap it on, and now from the app info page. Tap on the first stop at the bottom right from the pop-up. Select OK from the same page, go to Storage, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right, and then tap on Clear Data at the bottom left. From the pop-up select OK, and now go back to the Facebook Messenger application. Log into your account and see if your problem has been solved. If that still does not fix your issue, the next thing to do is to simply hold the Messenger icon and tap on the Uninstall button. Remove the application from the device and reinstall it back. Log into your account one more time and your problem might be solved. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to send messages on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.